Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unfriend someone on Snapchat. So actually it is very easy. First of all, of course, you need to open the Snapchat, and here as you can see I'm on the Snapchat, and here I need to go to and click on my profile picture in the top left corner. So now I'm in my profile. I need to scroll a little bit until I'll find friends section right here and my friends button. So click on the my friends, and as you can see here you will see the list of your friends on your account. I have only one friend. This is here he is, and if I want to unfriend this my only one friend, all I have to do is to simply hold for a while on the name of this friend. I will see the list of options appeared, and now I'll need to find and click on the manage friendship button. So click on it, and now I'll have four options: report, block, and remove friend. So basically two of these options are unfriending this guy. So basically if I want to just simply unfriend him, I need to click on the remove friend. If I want to unfriend him and block him so he won't be available to text me, etc., I need to click on the block. So I'll just simply remove this friend and just confirm the action clicking on the remove button once again. And now the friend disappeared. It means that we successfully unfriended this guy. And basically that is it. That is how you can unfriend someone on Snapchat. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.